So this short clip is just to give you an idea of the visual delivery style for this workshop. So just wanted to show you the kind of delivery available. This is a piece about carbon dioxide and its influence in the big story of climate change. So looking at human activities, the chemistry of our atmosphere, the resulting changes to our climate system, and the threats to our economy, society, and to the natural environment. Human activities are principally the burning of fossil fuels and the changing of land use. They all release these greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, which is enhancing the greenhouse effect and forcing the climate to change, altering our weather patterns, changing sea ice, cloud cover, which has knock-on impacts on our society, our environment, and economy. So this is just to give you a demonstration of the visual style for the workshops. Again, there's a whole catalogue of areas covered in the delivery, and so I hope that's a reasonable insight. Thank you.